Thanks, sir. Enjoy the ride. Oh, hi there. Welcome to Twoloosebricks Adventures, Bricksters and Lego friends. Don't forget your VIP ticket to enjoy all the fun right here in the amusement park. Hey there, Bricksters and Lego friends. How you doing today? I am here with a MOC because I needed an entrance that the train could go through, the Disney train on my amusement park. And, well, I wasn't sure how I was going to do it. I made a very basic entrance and it just didn't look right. So I sort of upped it a bit. And I had to have a clearance of 5 inches between the actual bottom of the layout and where the top of the train would be. So it had to be that high. So I built it without this gray arch at first. And structurally it was okay, but it's still not the best. So I put the gray arch in to give it some support. And it still just clears that 5 inches. That's fine. It's great. Now, then I decided to take, I had done this before, and I had taken this particular piece here and cut out on the printer plotter the Wizarding World of Harry Potter on some vinyl. Once that was cut out, I made the label and transferred it over to here, and it looks fantastic. Now, it's not very spectacular by any means, but it works. Now you're probably thinking, why do I have it like I have it, like with these pieces? Well, it kind of gives it like an archway type of feel to coming into the theme park. Now, here's my thought on it. And you can let me know in the comments down below if you like it or you don't like it. I was thinking of putting Hedwig up top there, Harry on the side here. Needs his base plate though. But I don't know if I'm going to like this because it might look just too top heavy altogether. I don't know. And Hermione on the right side like that. I'm going to tilt the camera up a little bit so we can see Hedwig on the top. So, I know it looks pretty big, but it looks pretty cool at the same time. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'll take your comments into a suggestion. I'll try this out on the display and see what it looks like. If I think it looks too big or doesn't look right, I won't put the 3 brick heads on it. I'll just keep it as the archway. I wanted a grand entrance into the Wizarding World, so this is what I sort of came up with. Now, the flags are going to be changed on that bottom piece because I have some custom flags I also made, so I'll be changing that. But that being said, I just need your opinion on it, what you guys think. And if you could kindly leave me some comments and let me know, I would appreciate it. Until next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when I'll have new videos coming out and future endeavors on the channel. And remember, if you can dream it, you can build it. That's about it for me today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time we upload a video. Take care, and I will talk to you guys again in the next video very shortly.